In the intricate web of nature, every species is a thread that weaves the fabric of our ecosystems. It is a tapestry of life, where each delicate strand plays a vital role in maintaining the balance and harmony of our planet. From the towering trees to the tiniest insects, every living being is interconnected, forming an awe-inspiring masterpiece that we are fortunate to witness. Just like a skilled weaver, nature has intricately designed each species to fulfill a unique purpose. The majestic predators keep the delicate ecosystem in check, ensuring the survival of their prey. The pollinators diligently transfer life-giving pollen from one flower to another, enabling the growth of vibrant and diverse plant life. Even the decomposers, often overlooked, play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter, returning essential nutrients to the soil. Every thread in this grand tapestry is essential, and the absence of even one can create a ripple effect, disrupting the delicate balance that has evolved over millions of years. The extinction of a single species can have far-reaching consequences, affecting not only its direct interactions, but also triggering a domino effect on other species and the entire ecosystem. Yet, amidst the complexity of this intricate web, there is a profound lesson to be learned. It teaches us the power of unity and interconnectedness. Just as every thread relies on the others to create a beautiful tapestry, we too are part of this interconnected web. Our actions, no matter how small, have the potential to shape the future of our planet. We are the custodians of this delicate fabric of life, entrusted with the responsibility to protect and preserve it. It is a humbling and empowering realization that our choices can make a difference. By embracing sustainable practices, conserving resources, and respecting the natural world, we can ensure that this intricate web remains intact for generations to come.